Hey guys, for today's video, you will learn how to fix TikTok not showing effects. This will be a very simple guide, so please watch the whole thing. If your TikTok effects don't work, try these easy methods. Go to your TikTok app, but don't open it. Tap and hold on it and you will see a bunch of options. You'll want to tap on Clear Cache. This clears all the data that your TikTok has stored over the past few days or years that you've had TikTok. Just find free up space and clear your cache and downloads too. And also turn this on. If that still doesn't work, tap and hold on it again and tap on Remove App. You'll then want to reinstall it to remove any bugs or viruses that may have caused you not getting your effects. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.